camera position. Can you imagine, I had a group, I have leadership teams and B2B sales teams that go through my full 8-week program. And just recently, one of those leadership teams was presenting online and we were coaching and giving feedback. And the general manager had just finished presenting and his team said to him, "Your position of your camera really puts us off." And he said, "Well, what do you mean?" And they said, "Well, it looks like you're looking down on us." And it was so interesting because the way he was sitting at his desk, he had his laptop down low and he was literally looking down into the camera, which looked like he was looking down on his people. Now, I know many of you are leaders within your organisation, and I'm sure that that's not how you would want to make your people feel if you were presenting to your team online. So having the camera eye level is perfect so that you're equal with the camera. You don't want to be looking up at the camera and you don't want to be looking down, because then you're either looking up or down at the people that you're speaking to.